You should be my cameraman. Hi guys, so behind me I have this big box. It has the body kit for the M4. It's the M Performance carbon kit, and today I've decided to install just the boot spoiler, and I'm going to show you guys how I do it. Okay, so it should be this one right here, is that it? Yes it is. Take these out. Oh yeah, look at that. That's the spoiler for the boot. Look at that shiny carbon fibre. Oh yeah. Okay, so we're at Gav's work at the moment because they've got a big warehouse and our garage isn't big enough, and they've got good lighting in here. So the first thing I've done is I've cleaned the boot lid with washing up liquid and water. That gets rid of any oils, any grease, any wax that's left on the car, because it's all down to preparation. You don't want your spoiler falling off. So we need to put the spoiler on. Just measure it up against the boot. I think it might have about 3 mil on each side. What do you think?
Yeah, it's about the same.
About that. Okay, so we've used tape just to mark out where. We're going to put the spoiler on both sides. So now I'm going to take this off and put some 3M tape inside. Just rub this down with some isopropyl. Gav's doing the same over there with the boot spoiler. So that should help stick the tape to the car. You want to make sure after you've done this, after you've installed it, you have to wait about a day or so, and then make sure you wash and clean and wax your car to protect your paint. How's it going, Gav? Looks like you got a samurai sword.
There you go.
So now on this we're going to put the tape on the inside, on the edges.
Both edges.
Yeah. Okay, so I've put this tape on the spoiler, and what I've done is I've just peeled up the corners so I can line it up to the car and then peel off the backing tape, rather than peeling off the whole thing and then trying to line it up just in case I go wrong. So this is heat activated 3M tape. So Gav's just over there heating up the back of the car. Right, so I need to line it up now. Just make sure these are sticking out. So line it up to the tape. Yeah.
Right in the corners of the tape, yeah.
Moment of truth. Pull away the backing tape. So if you do it this way, you can line it up first before you actually stick the whole thing down, because then once you've stuck it down, that's it. You are screwed, there's no way getting that off. That's one. How's it looking? Looks good. Give it a day or so to harden and then polish the car because of all the wash up liquid isopropyl I put on it. And that's how I installed my spoiler. My only advice to you is, like I said earlier on in the video, preparation is key, because I've heard stories where people have been driving down the motorway and the spoiler has flown off the car, and that's because 9 times out of 10 they've either used the wrong product to install it or the preparation work wasn't done properly. So the stuff that I use to install the spoiler onto the car is this 3M tape. And it says on here, exterior mounting tape, high temperature resistant automobile foam tape. So yeah, that's what I use to stick the spoiler on. And to prep the surface of the car, I used washing up liquid to clean the areas where I was sticking the spoiler on. And then I went over it with this isopropyl, also known as rubbing alcohol. And the higher alcohol you get on this, the better. This is the 99.9%. And that's all for now, guys. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe. And until next time, drive safe and stay safe. Bye.